Hello friends, I am trying to share perspective on the valuations and how it should be looked at when it comes to equity investment. Friends, one should not look at valuations in isolation as it's a relative term, and we should look at valuations along with the likely growth that the sector or companies offer versus its historic pattern. Also, interest rates prevailing at a point of time versus its historic pattern is something that one should look at. And most importantly, the earning cycle of the economy or the corporate sector is very critical because at the early stage of the economic revival, the valuations may look high because you are comparing it with a lower base. And as you see momentum on the earnings, the valuations may look more reasonable. So one should always look at what stage of the earning cycle we are at while looking at the valuations. One can generate good returns over a period of time even if you invest in companies with high valuations if the underlying companies grow consistently with high ROE and cash flows. For example, companies like HDFC Bank, Titan, Britannia, TCS, Ultratech Cement are always quoting at high valuations, but they also have delivered good returns over a period of time. So one should keep the focus on generating returns on investment versus the valuations being higher or lower. More often, investors miss out on wealth creation opportunities and get into low quality, underperforming stocks due to excessive focus on valuations. Sometimes they do get out of performing stocks thinking valuations are too high and miss out on a great compounding story. There are certain stocks or themes which are known as allocation stocks or concept stocks, where investors are looking beyond the near term financial performance for a much larger opportunity potential. For example, electric vehicle theme or certain technology companies with a strong platform or brand may command a certain valuations which would not fit into the traditional valuation parameters, and one needs to look at such companies in a different way. In such cases, investment decisions are based on the expected opportunity, the execution capability of the management to participate, and investors typically put a small percentage allocation of their total equity investment. So even if that theme does not play out, one loses only a certain percentage of the capital. Friends, hope this perspective is useful, and please do note that this recording is for investor education and is not an advice. Please do consult financial advisor for investment decisions. Thank you so much.